back from the dead.
Hi, I'm Etienne. I'm the co-founder of Moose Bicycle. I'm here to talk to you about an upcoming product and about our company. So we're a Canadian-based company and we take pride in designing simple and robust means of transportation suitable for all weather. And that brings us, of course, to an important question, which is what to do during the winter, or rather, how do you adapt an existing product to our fearsome climate? We could not simply take the geometry of an existing bike and then just modify it to accommodate fatter tires. We needed to redesign it from the ground up. We needed to achieve balance, agility, stability, but more importantly lightness, which we did thanks to its aluminum frame. Being an independent company, it also means we're the engineer, we're the manufacturer, we're also the distributor, and that business model allows us to achieve substantial economy that we can then pass on to our customers. Remember your first free-skiing experience? Remember the adrenaline rush you had while flying through the powdery snow? Well, try to picture that only with 4-inch wide tires and an hydraulic disc brake, and then perhaps you'll understand what this bike is all about. So we need your help to realize this project. We need your help to make this bike happen.
Rinsten Company presents a revolutionary bicycle shock absorber. The Rinsten Spring is designed to make cycling more comfortable and help riders stay healthy. This innovative device is easy to install under the seat of any bicycle. Adjust the rigidness for your weight and the type of road in just 1 minute. Make your bike ride smooth and enjoyable. People ride bicycles on different roads: asphalt, gravel, pavestone, dirt, and hill. Riding a bicycle is great, and we all love it. Vibrations can be felt even on the smoothest tarmac, which can have a negative effect on your health. When you ride over stones or potholes, you can feel significant shocks. The Rinsten Spring will make your ride much more comfortable and safe. You'll use less energy and stay healthier by reducing the negative effect of road vibrations on your body. The Rinsten Spring was tested by more than 100 bike riders of different age groups and body types. They traveled more than 7,000 miles on different bikes and surfaces in both hot and cold weather conditions. And we got only positive feedback. We have developed and tested more than 10 prototypes using different types of steel. We have come a long way. The Rinsten Spring is made of high-quality, robust materials, so we can offer you a lifetime warranty.
Hi, Kickstarter. I am founder of Rinsten.
Hi, Kickstarter. I am co-founder of Rinsten, the product that makes your riding more comfortable.
Our team has been developing Rinsten Spring for about a year, and we strongly believe it will benefit thousands of cyclers, improving their comfort immeasurably. Come and join us!